We're gonna go for a little night drive, go to Quick Trip and grab a little snack. I don't have to work tomorrow since it's Thanksgiving, so we're just gonna enjoy this nice little drive here. It's about 47 degrees outside. I've got about 5,700 miles on the car, purchased it with about 1,600 miles, and I haven't had any issues at all with the car. I haven't had the car grind gears once, nothing. Head unit has worked flawlessly. Considering this is a first year generation of this car, I haven't had any issues, so it's been nice. These roundabouts that I go about all the time, it's interesting how much faster the rev matching is because of the lightened flywheel. Let's let this car warm up before we get on the gas at all. I think my next modification will definitely be, an exhaust or a downpipe or something. I want a little bit more noise, but I don't want it to be super loud like some of my previous Hondas. So I might just wait a little while and kind of see what the aftermarket puts out. But another way to look at it financially is like an AWE exhaust or some of the other exhausts. They're all in the $1,400–1,500 range, or this mid pipe that gives me a little bit more noise. I think it replaces one of the resonators. It's like $200 plus install. So if that just gives me a little bit closer to the factory noise of the let's say the Acura Type S, I think that would be perfect. Uh-oh, I think Lisa's sending me a message. Let's see what she wants.
Can I just go to sleep forever? Help if I ordered scrambled egg soup again, it'll be on how oy. I can't view the ticket long enough to
Well, we finally got a little bit of heat in this engine. Let's see, I think my oil level's at about 40%, so probably in, I'm guessing, about 3 months, maybe 4 months tops, it'll probably be down to about 15%. It'll be time to go to Honda and get an oil change, so I'll probably definitely make a video on that. The gas mileage has definitely dropped because I think we've gotten the winter blend and it's colder out now, so that just kind of comes with the territory. My current tank, even though I just put gas in the car, is currently like 24.4, so not too shabby. Just gave the car a bath today, so I'm kind of excited to see what it looks like in the Quick Trip bright LED lights. And I probably should have brought my microfiber just in case I missed any spots, but I left that at home, unfortunately. And I think I'm pretty much out of microfibers. I really need to go buy some more. I don't think I have any in here. Let's see. Might be like a backup right there. All right, found a spot. All right, let's, man, doesn't that red carbon fiber look amazing? All right, let's see what this car looks like in the light. All right, here's what she looks like, boys. Oh yeah, super shiny. I should have put some tire shine on it, but I don't use tire shine. I use the Chemical Guys VPR or vinyl plastic rubber, I think is what it's called. Anyways, we're gonna go into Quick Trip real quick. Let's get back home. One more look at the car. Probably do some kind of carbon fiber front lip too eventually, but we'll see what Spoons looks like eventually. What the price is. And if you guys don't mind subscribing, because I work 2 jobs just to try to afford all this wonderful stuff, so if you guys would subscribe, that'd be amazing. I'm almost halfway to monetization. It'll eventually come when it's time. So all right, back home we go. All right, let's wait for these really slow drivers. Let's see, the stereo is much better. I've had 3 Type R's, and my 2018 and my 2020, like, the stereo just wasn't that good. I remember the tweeters would always like rattle real terribly. Another thing I've noticed about this car so far is it doesn't get as good as gas mileage as the FK8. Just by a little bit. And I'm a pretty conservative driver, unfortunately, considering, you know, I drive this car. Now we're in sport mode. Current temperature is now 43 degrees. Intake temperature is about 68. Let's go to my individual settings. I pretty much run on individual Type R settings on everything except for comfort on the suspension. get a better gauge there for you guys. Instead of MPG, let's put boost. There we go. Car is definitely warmed up, so we can finally have a little bit of fun. Definitely a little bit louder than the FKA, but not by much. All right. Let's have some fun and do Type R mode. This first roundabout's quite a bit of fun. The second one, the pavement, seems a little weird. Let's wait for that car to get going. Almost looks like it could be a cop. Well, if you're still watching, I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you like my content, and I'm going to keep making content for you guys because I love my Honda. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Peace out.